Hi guys, hope you're doing well. And today I would like to explain about adding custom animation into your app. So let's see preview of what we are doing. So in this video, we are adding these custom animations using Lottie animation. So let's start our video. So we can add these animations anywhere into your app. So mainly when you are designing splash screen or landing screen, these animations will improve your app's user interface. So let's see how to use this, how to get these animations. So first I will give the link in the description. So go to this link and you can follow these steps. And have given this step-by-step procedure of and following respective code with respective code. So go to this link, and the first thing you need to do in order to use this Lottie animation is add the dependency. So just copy this dependency and paste this dependency into your app. So in order to go to your project and open Gradle scripts, and you need to add this into the build.gradle module app. So open that and paste under the dependency section. So after pasting this dependency, click on sync now. So meanwhile, get back to this website, and after adding these animations, so we need to get this animation, right. So in order to get these animations, here is the link, click here. So after clicking the link, you will be redirected to this website. So this is the website, and you need to log in with your Google account and click on animations here. So this is the place where you get both the free and the paid content. So first you can see almost all the free content, and in the bottom you can see some of the paid, and you can go with the free content as well. So free content is very much better in this website. So select the animation that you need. So here is the search bar, and you can search the animations. So click on the animations that you need. So you can download it in four formats. You can download it as JSON and or zip or animated GIF and MP4 file. So for using it in Android, so you need to download it as a JSON file. So and you can so there are many options like editing the background. So you can change the background color, and you can also change the custom speed of the animation. So so you can download this file, so Lottie.json. So before that downloading, let once go to the Android Studio, and you need to create an assets folder inside Android Studio. So in order to create assets folder, so click on Java file and right click and click on new. So and go to the folder section and click on asset folder. So after clicking that, you will get this window, and click on finish. So after clicking on finish, it will generate an asset folder, and go back to the website. So choose the best animations that fills your requirement, and click on Lottie.json. So now this file will be downloaded. So you need to place this file into your assets folder, to the project assets folder. So go to your select your project from here and save here. So the JSON file will be downloaded. So or else you can download it anywhere else, and copy the file, and you can go to the assets folder, and you can paste this file here. So you can see this is the file that I downloaded, and after downloading it, so you need to go to the XML file where you need to create these animations. And previously I create in this project I created two screens. So one is the splash screen with 3 seconds delay, and another one is home screen. So in splash screen I need to I wanted to display this animation. So in order to display this animation, so you need to write the custom code for this. So I given this code, so you can copy this from this website and go to your Android project and paste it wherever you need. So you can edit these contents. So you need to remember these four settings. So these three settings. So these three are very much important. So the ID, which is very mandatory to every tool in Android Studio. So in order to replay your animation, so you need to select true here, and you need to place your name. So that is your JSON file name here. So I will copy my JSON file name and paste it here. So and you need to make true this auto loop, and okay, now let's run our app and see the output. So you can see this custom animation is loading in my splash screen. So again I will open my app. Once I will close my app, and you can see the app is opening. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching, and if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Thank you.